The Fury by Alex Michaelides. Best-selling author of The Silent Patient. I haven't read that yet. There were 7 of us on the island. One of us was a murderer. This book is fun to read, it's quick to read, and it's split into 5 different acts like a play is written. That's why I enjoyed it, but it's not a game changer. I won't say it's the best book I've read, but the writing style is engaging enough for you to go through the entire book and not regret it. The only thing that I would say is not working for me is the ending. It was a little underwhelming, but the world of the book is fairly interesting. It's based in the world of celebrities, stardom, playwriting, theater, and films. 7 of them land up on an island that's owned by Lana, who's the superstar. Everybody wants her attention. They want to be around her. They want her love. And there's lots of jealousy and envy in the air. We follow Elliot Chase, who's a writer himself. That's why I think I enjoyed this book a little extra. Who's actually the entire narrator of the book. And then, of course, a murder happens, and then the investigation and the unfurling of what goes on. That I won't reveal because it's a spoiler. But it's a fun book. It's not a bad book. I don't think it's a very amazing book that you must read. But if you're looking for something light and fun to read, this is your pick. Thanks to Penguin India for sending across these lovely books. I will be doing more book reviews soon. The next one on my list is Argyle.